विसवा उपरांत तुमकां येवकार आनी आतां पळोवया खेळामळावयल्यो खबरो. गोंय क्रिकेट संघटनेची कार्यकारी समिती वेंचपा खातीर निवडणूक थारायल्ल्या प्रमाण आयतारा जातली. शेनवारा जिल्लो न्यायालयान शशिकांत सरदेसायाची वेंचणुकेचेर स्थगिती हाडपाची याचिका भायर मारली. जीसीएची वेंचणूक प्रक्रिया सारकी ना असो दावो करत अध्यक्षपदा खातीर उबो राविल्लो सरदेसाय कोर्टांत गेल्लो.
दिसभराच्या युक्तिवादा उपरांत शेनवारा सांजे न्यायाधीशान शशिकांत सरदेसायाची याचिका भायर मारली.
He had sought for two reliefs basically. One is stay of election to be held tomorrow, and second is he was seeking appointment of independent observer on election process. We had opposed to the Section 9 application, saying that election process will be held in a democratic way, and second, Section 9 is not maintainable, including for the purpose of conduct of parties. That is Mr. Shashikant Sardessai. Now the court has dismissed it, and the elections are supposed to be held as per schedule, that is tomorrow. Of any association, once election procedure is started, it cannot be interfered. So that is the first rule. On that ground, we must have succeeded.
आयज हियरिंग जाली आनी आत्ता लास्ट मोमेंटाक म्हणजे 6:30 सुमार आमकां सांगलें जालें की केस इज डिसमिस्ड म्हणून. तर केस डिसमिस जाल्ली आसा. आमी न्यायालयाचो जो निर्णय आसा तो सर आपोपर, कित्याक न्यायालयाचेर आमचो विश्वास आसा ह्या पयलींच सांगलें आनी प्रत्येक भारतीय नागरिकान ते जे जीसीएन जे फ्रॉड चालू आसा, जीसीएन जे माल प्रॅक्टीस चालू आसा, जीसीएन जे मॅन्युपुलेशन चालू आसा ते तुमच्या मुखार हांवें हाडलेले आनी तेन्ना सुद्दां हांवें अशें सांगलेलें की हे सगळे ऑल क्लब दे नो, पण कोण ना कोण तरी खंय ना खंय तरी शिरकाल्ले आसता तांकां ते फुडें येवपाचें ना. हांव धैर्य दाखयलें फुडें येवपाचें. हांव जाल्यार स्वता त्या इलेक्शनाचेर बहिष्कार घालता. आयज तुमकां डिक्लेअर करता की आय बॉयकॉट द इलेक्शन. आय एम नॉट गोईंग फॉर वोटींग. एक जालें. आनी
पणजेच्यान आमचो खेळां खबराकार निखिल परेरा आनी चलचित्र खबराकार दिनेश करपे.
साळगांवकार स्पोर्ट्स क्लबाची 2012-13 फुटबॉल सिजनाची तयारी वेळसांव बिचार चलता. पोरूच्या पंगडांतल्यान बरेचशे खेळगडे सोडून गेल्ल्यान साळगांवकारान नवे प्लेयर हाडल्यात. हातूंत नांबियाचो आदलो कॅप्टन आनी फॉर्वर्ड क्विंटन जॅकोब्स आनी नायजेरियाचो स्ट्रायकर जागाबा हमजाचो आस्पाव आसा. नव्या सिजनांत एक तरी ट्रॉफी जिखपाची मोख कोच करीम बेंचरीफान दवरल्या.
We have almost half of the team new, so a lot of young talent, raw talent. We need to work very hard with them this season, but also up to them to make a name for themselves. Why not starting from this season if they can break to the first 11 and hopefully give good performances during this season. The list is long, but few guys. If you look at the foreigners, there's Quinton and Hamza. We're still looking for a good Asian striker. There is also some many local new players as well.
What is your plans for this 2012-13?
Well, you know, it's of course we need to win at least one trophy, and second, the main target also is to promote some new names into the top of Indian football. Hopefully some of these guys, as I said, will make a name for themselves, and hopefully some of them will reach even the national team.
The main reason was because Salgoka is a big known club in India. That's why I decided to join them. And my future plans with Salgoka is obviously to win the I-League and win one or two more cups during the season.
Salgoka is a club that I have loved right from time. So when they approached me, it's like an opportunity for me. So and I didn't hesitate. I took it.
खबरो चुकले आसत जाल्यार आमच्या www.prudentmedia.in वेबसायट वा ट्विटर अकाउंट प्रुडंट गोवा वा www.facebook.com/prudentmedia ह्या फेसबूक अकाउंटाचेर मेळटल्यो. इतल्यान हे खबराचित्र हांगा सोंपता. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट मिडिया. नमस्कार.